Best Content Creation Camera. Are you looking for the best content creation camera? In this video we will look at 5 of the best content creation camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. This digital camera with a creator accessory kit is designed for beginners interested in 4K photography and vlogging. Equipped with a 48MP sensor, it captures high-resolution images and videos. The autofocus feature ensures sharp and clear shots, while the flip screen makes it easy for users to monitor themselves during vlogging, ideal for content creation. The kit includes a tripod grip, providing stability for various shooting angles, especially when recording videos or taking selfies. A wide-angle lens allows users to capture expansive landscapes or group shots, while a macro lens is included for detailed close-up photography. The built-in microphone enhances audio quality for video recordings, making it suitable for vlogging and live streaming. It also comes with multiple batteries, ensuring extended shooting sessions without frequent recharging. A remote control is included, adding convenience for taking photos or starting video recordings from a distance. The camera is user-friendly, making it an accessible choice for beginners while still providing quality features for more advanced users. Its compact design and versatile kit make it portable and flexible for various creative needs, including on-the-go photography and vlogging. In summary, this camera kit offers essential tools and features for beginners in photography and content creation, combining ease of use with quality imaging capabilities. Number 2. The Canon EOS R10 Content Creator Kit is a versatile mirrorless camera package tailored for vlogging and content creation. Equipped with a 24.2MP APS-C CMOS sensor, this camera produces high-resolution images with rich detail and vibrant color, appealing to both beginners and seasoned creators. The RFS 18-45mm f4.5-6.3 ISSTM lens included in the kit is a compact, versatile zoom lens that covers a range ideal for everyday shooting, from wide-angle scenes to portraits. With its 4K video capability, the EOS R10 enables users to record ultra-high-definition videos, perfect for creators wanting professional quality footage. The camera's lightweight and compact build makes it easy to carry, supporting spontaneous shoots and on-the-go vlogging. The included tripod adds stability for steady shots, while the stereo microphone enhances audio quality, ensuring clear sound capture for video recordings. The Canon EOS R10 also includes intelligent autofocus, which accurately tracks moving subjects, making it suitable for dynamic video and photo scenarios. Its flip-out touchscreen simplifies self-monitoring during vlogging, allowing users to frame themselves easily. The camera's intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it an accessible option for beginners and an effective tool for more experienced photographers. In summary, the Canon EOS R10 Content Creator Kit is a well-rounded setup for aspiring and established content creators. It combines high-quality imaging, 4K video, and essential accessories in a portable, user-friendly package tailored for versatile content creation. Number 3. The Sony ZV-1F is a compact and powerful vlogging camera, designed specifically for content creators and bloggers. Featuring a 20.1MP 1-inch XMR RS CMOS sensor, the ZV-1F delivers high-quality stills and videos with excellent detail and color reproduction, catering to both beginners and experienced creators looking for a lightweight, portable option. With its 4K video recording capabilities, the ZV-1F allows creators to capture ultra-high-definition footage, enhancing the visual quality of vlogs, tutorials, and social media content. Its fast and precise autofocus with eye-tracking technology keeps subjects sharp and in focus, even during movement, making it especially suited for on-the-go shooting. The camera's fixed 20mm f/2.0 lens provides a wide field of view, ideal for capturing landscapes, group shots, or close-up vlogging without needing to extend your arm too far. The ZV-1F includes a flip-out touchscreen, allowing creators to easily frame themselves and control settings during recording. Enhanced audio is achieved through its directional 3-capsule microphone, which captures clear voice quality even in noisy environments, and it comes with a windscreen for outdoor recording. In summary, the Sony ZV-1F is a user-friendly, high-performance camera that combines 4K video, superb autofocus, and audio quality in a compact design. This makes it an excellent choice for vloggers and content creators seeking a lightweight yet professional tool for engaging video content. Number 4. This 4K digital camera is designed for photography and vlogging, particularly for users creating YouTube content. Featuring 4K video resolution and an autofocus function, the camera provides sharp, high-quality visuals, making it ideal for capturing detailed footage and images. The 3-inch flip screen, which rotates 180 degrees, allows users to monitor themselves while recording, making it convenient for vlogging and self-portraits. The camera includes a 16x digital zoom, which allows for versatile framing options, from wide-angle shots to zoomed-in details, although digital zoom may lose some image quality at higher levels. Anti-shake technology is incorporated, which helps to reduce blur in images and video, ensuring smoother, more stable recordings. This feature is particularly useful for beginners and on-the-go creators who might encounter movement during filming. The kit comes with essential accessories like an SD card, flash, 2 batteries, and a battery charger. The extra batteries are a practical addition, offering extended usage time for longer shooting sessions without worrying about power. The camera's compact size makes it portable and easy to handle, which is a plus for travel and everyday use. In summary, this 4K digital camera offers key features suited for vlogging and photography beginners, including high-resolution video, a flip screen for easy monitoring, anti-shake functionality, and convenient accessories. It's a compact and affordable option for creators who want a reliable, user-friendly camera for social media and YouTube content. Number 5. This YouTube vlogging camera recorder is a functional and user-friendly camcorder, perfect for beginners interested in creating video content. It captures full HD 1080p video and 24MP still images, delivering clear and vibrant visuals that are ideal for social media platforms like YouTube. The 3.0-inch screen rotates up to 270 degrees, making it easy to monitor recordings from different angles, which is particularly useful for solo creators and vloggers. Equipped with a 16x digital zoom, the camera allows users to adjust framing and capture distant details, although digital zoom may slightly reduce image quality when fully extended. The included microphone enhances audio capture, providing clearer sound for recordings and reducing background noise, a valuable feature for professional-looking content. The camera package includes 2 batteries, allowing for extended filming sessions without frequent recharging, which is convenient for longer vlogs or event recordings. A remote control is also included, making it easy to start or stop recording from a distance, adding versatility and convenience for self-recording or group shots. Overall, this FHD 1080p camcorder is a solid option for beginner vloggers and content creators seeking a budget-friendly and easy-to-use video camera. With its rotating screen, zoom capability, and external microphone, it provides essential tools for quality video content creation and is suitable for capturing everyday moments, tutorials, and personal vlogs.